Welcome to Brain Buzz. We've got 40 easy and exciting general knowledge questions lined up just for you. Stay focused, think fast, and let's get buzzing. Before starting, please like and subscribe for more fun games. What is the capital of France? Paris. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. How many continents are there on Earth? Seven. What is the largest animal in the world? Blue whale. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? China. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Seven. What do bees make? Honey. What gas do humans need to breathe? Oxygen. What is H2O commonly known as? Water. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Pacific Ocean. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. How many legs does a spider have? Eight. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. What is the color of an emerald? Green. What is the currency of the United States? Dollar. What do you call a baby cat? Kitten. Which shape has 3 sides? Triangle. How many hours are there in a day? "24. What do plants need to make food? Sunlight. Which month has 28 or 29 days? February. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. What is 10 plus 5? "15. What do we use to write on a blackboard? Chalk. How many days are there in a week? 7. What is the main source of light for Earth? The sun. Which fruit is yellow and curved? Banana. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? "26. What do cows drink? Milk. What is the national bird of the USA? Bald eagle. What part of the body helps you see? Eyes. What is the color of the sky on a clear day? Blue. Which animal has a long trunk? Elephant. What do you call frozen water? Ice. How many wheels does a car usually have? Four. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. Which shape has 4 equal sides? Square. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Great work, Brain Buzzers! Comment your score, hit subscribe, and keep that brain buzzing. See you in the next quiz!